In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flowchart in Microsoft Word. Creating a flowchart can be a great way to visualize processes, organize ideas, or explain a sequence of steps clearly. The method we'll use today involves SmartArt, which makes it fast and easy to produce a professional-looking diagram without manually drawing every shape. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can start with a new blank document or choose an existing file where you want your flowchart to appear. Once your document is open, navigate to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This section contains all the tools you need to add graphics, diagrams, and other visual elements. Next, locate the SmartArt option and click on it. A window will pop up displaying multiple categories of diagrams. Since we are building a flowchart, select the Process category. In this section, you'll find a variety of layouts specifically designed to represent steps in a sequence. Choose one that best suits your process, such as the Basic process, Continuous block process, or Chevron process. Once you've made your selection, click OK, and the diagram will be inserted directly onto your page. You'll notice placeholder shapes for each step, along with a text pane on the left side. Start by typing your first step into the top box or the initial shape. Continue entering each subsequent step in order. If you need to add more steps, simply press Enter in the text pane, and a new shape will automatically appear. This ensures your flowchart remains neatly aligned without extra effort. To make your flowchart more visually appealing, click on the SmartArt diagram. You'll see the SmartArt Design and Format tabs appear. These tools allow you to change colors, apply styles, and adjust shapes to highlight specific actions or steps. For example, you can use gradient fills or different colors to emphasize key parts of your process. If necessary, you can also adjust the flow direction. Use the right to left option or change the layout type from the SmartArt Design tab to better match the natural sequence of your process. And that's it. You now have a clear, organized flowchart created entirely with SmartArt in Microsoft Word. It's quick, flexible, and looks professional without requiring much effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.